Yun. Yeah, welcome to Hanging in the 30s, guys. Ride. Oh, si Skyre to. Pero si Skyre, alerto kayo.
Good.
Kaway. Welcome to Hanging in the 30s.
Sky, come here.
Oh, ride na kami, guys. Papunta na kami sa main event. We're going to see the parade. Shout out sa taga Cebu, no? Shout out taga Cebu, ah. Shout out. We are here in Hanging 30s. First timer in Hanging in 30s.
Everyone, why not a choo-choo train?
Choo-choo train. It's choo-choo tractor.
Oh, kuhanan mo kami diri, bro.
Saan mali?
Shout out.
Pinduton rin?
Tumang diri, baliktad na tumang na niyo. Shout out. Welcome to Hanging 30s.
Oh, welcome.
Beautiful place, Malay, my hometown.
Birthplace.
8 years ago. I love Malay, Alberta. Come here, guys. Beautiful here in Malay, Alberta. Stay tuned to watch Hanging 30s.
Bio.
Welcome to Hanging 30s.
Ay, so yung nakita natin mga campers kanina.
Maginising, no?
Oh.
Nakita natin.
Bago eh. Wow, beautiful. Welcome to Hanging 30s. Videohan mo yan, oh. Yun.
Ang dami siya.
Beauty. Wow. Amazing.
Ay, wag sana umulan.
Awesome. These are they're just about to start. 10:30 is the parade, so we're gonna watch it, guys.
What? What is it, Mommy?
All right, we're here. Wow, amazing. So we are now at the main event, guys. So let's gonna wait. Woo!
Picture
Oh, picture.
Ikaw, mahabang kamay mo.
Ako na. Sige.
Bilis, Sky. Nakakahiya. Isa pa, si Sky. Dali. Bilis, Sky.
Kilala tayo dito eh. Kilala tayo dito.
Oh, kilala naman pala kayo eh.
Hello, good morning. Dito tayo. Dito tayo. Tayo sa ano?
Always kept the focus on what happened and stick to that focus. Mission, Hanging 30s. One of Martin's favorite projects was getting and moving the grist mill from the Shandro Museum to our site and getting it operational. And of course, with his passion for doing things, the grist mill is standing here. That's the windmill at the back there. And it is operational. There will be demonstrations throughout the weekend. Because of Martin's determination and dedication, we, on behalf of Hanging in the 30s, dedicate our grist mill to
Dito tayo ba?
Mr. Martin Doyle. The plaque will be forever on the building to remember Martin. And again, I quote, dedication can only come
Dito.
when you are returned.
Ay, doon tayo guys. Doon si Irene. Doon tayo. Dito kayo. Doon si Irene. Oh.
Memberships here
Irene.
all weekend. If you want to become a member of Hague in the 30s, down by the sewing station, there's a lady sitting with a nice Canada umbrella
Is it
selling
Irene?
memberships.
Irene siya.
They are a whole $5. Our donation booth is just behind us here. If you can help us with the donation this year, we would really appreciate
Hindi
it.
ba?
100% of our
Parang si Irene. Oh. Si Irene. Kahawig noon. Di ba?
are under.
O dito.
Kabayo.
We do
Dito
give
tayo
back
kasi kita ang ano ba.
donations over $25, and we do accept donations all year round.
Kala ko yung...
We accept Visa, MasterCard, and also accept
Galing doon ng mga kabayo. O diya, parid. Kaya dito mga... Oh.
gmail.com. So at this time, I'd really like to say thank you for coming. Let's get the show on the road. The parade is going to start in a few minutes. And have a great weekend and be safe. One more thing I forgot to mention. In case there's an injury or anything else, there is an ambulance just behind the doctor's office there with medics that can help. So if you have anybody that has a problem, talk to one of our board members. If they're around, catch somebody. We all have radios on, and they can radio the medics to get us the help they need.
We've got some horses leading on here at the parade. I mean, the RCMP ahead of the field. It's fantastic. The Olympics are happening, and yet we have these 500 horses right in front of us. All right, the first waving is Dale May.
So hing ang 30s.
Back waving his folks that you heard talking earlier today. Dale will be doing auctions for the auction services later tonight, so look forward to not only seeing him ride horses,
That's a beautiful horse.
Balpakwaho na ba?
Alan Zacharik, and he's from Two Hills with his speed. He's got Martin on Hook's family in the waiting. Harvey Bodner is moving number 3 here. And the courtier man in the back, waving at all of you, smiling. Francis Sylvain, waving once before. I think Francis is either the man driving or that young boy who's sitting on the left. He's the either one.
White collars and now pond.
All right, so this is Andy Kosh. He's from Naperville, and he's a member of the Western. I'm going to need you to say that again for me. Oh, the Western Canadian Wagon Train Association. And there's quite a few members of the association that have made over the years. This is one of the many teams that we've managed to have. We've got Tammy Hamilton. Nice to see you again. She's from my hometown.
Yeah, I said if I don't know the people, I'll make it up.
Bill Kelly here, coach number 7. He's from Whatnot.
Gagawa ka na ng sarili mo. Pinso ka lang. Kabayo lang kailangan.
Mga sigong kabayo. No?
Anong? Ang may kasulti naman yung pared ka ron. What can you say about it? Like that? Oh? Ha? Shout out sa taga Cebu, ha? Dagko kayo? Dagko yung kabayo, di ba? Hybrid. Beautiful haying and tortoise in Malig. So, i-welcome mo sila mga taga Canada. Welcome mo sila dito. Nasa Canada.
This is Rick Sharp.
Punta kayo dito sa haying and tortoise Malig, Alberta, guys.
St. Paul. Sorry.
It's beautiful event.
St. Paul, this is his first time here.
Good coast event. Right up. Alright, that's beautiful. Wow, this is nice. Nice horse.
We got John Wells from Sherman Park here. Cowboy to the country.
Nag-cure sila
This
no?
is a 1949 model. See him on the cover of Vogue. We've got Tom Gold from
Ilang mga kuha natin. Kang ni volunteer na kuha ng mga cancer lang kuha.
Oo, volunteer ng mga kuan ba?
Cancer na yun.
Pamilya, oo.
Biktima sa.
Timba.
Pila ka ni kabayo. Ha?
Mahal na ba eh?
Ha?
Mahal na.
Pila nga.
Siguro
Disney.
murag kuha na yung murag labaw pa, oh.
Mura sa sakyanan.
Oo.
Oo ba?
Mahal na ba eh?
Yeah, okay. The horses inside they're very kind.
Nindot sa tugwigo nila. Boy.
This one is nice.
Jay Mills.
Hi, Ollie horse. Ollie.
And it's supposed to be used at the Calgary Stampede. Bob Whaling here. He's from Gibbons.
Parang sa dami ng kabayo nakita ko, parang naawa ako sa kanila.
And he's spent at least 10 years now volunteering in Canada.
But that's the... Siguro nag-isip yung kabayo. Kasi nagsigat naman ng mga taong to.
Gaan ka na nila.
Yung sa mga k-drama, no? Nakasakay. Tapos, gagawin din.
First of all, we've got Thomas Whaling.
Give them a few keys.
Hi. Why are you not looking at me?
May technique kasi. Oo, kasi pag ginanon, bibilis sila. Sa Baguio lang kasi sumakay ako ng kabayo. Pero hindi naman gumagamit. Kapag nakaw, kapicture.
This is Alfred Rundage. Alfred also donated the binder that we'll be using in this.
You're camped here? You've got your RV.
Ito maganda to, oh. Wow, that's nice.
Lagot na. Buklat ko na.
Donkey.
Star. Look down when I saw his name.
But what a perfect temperature for them. Like the 10 years where it's on and these horses are
Ano, gusto mo bigyan?
Hindi, wag na.
Nagpunta kami dun sa Ukrainian village. Tuwang-tuwa kami sa mga
All of these wagons that you're seeing are going to be available throughout the day. These wagons, you can get on the wagons.
sleeve, and I got a little jacket like that.
Wow, that's nice. Nice to, oh. Ngayon ko lang to nakita. Beautiful.
Pamilyahan yun eh.
Feather na ito.
Hindi, ano pala yan nga, Vincent.
Beautiful.
Oh my God. Ano, sino nga yan? Sila ano yan eh?
Si ano? Corbier? Corbier yan. Corbier family.
Oh, naglagot ang kabayo.
Richard.
Pumatid. Oh. Gusto ko lang usa. Oh, naglagot. Buklat man. Sige, pasahan di ako. Nakiguyo.
Ganda ng wagon. Ganda ng wagon nila.
Trakil.
David Brooks, by the way. Also known as Frankie. That's you got to go through like I said.
Oh, this is beautiful. Look, 4 horse. Put it down. Nice.
Ligbang doon.
Galing ah.
Ligbang kabayo.
Mga trashing ito.
Dati hindi sa Carabao.
The only 4 out we got this year.
Yan ang mga hay sa in the 30s, 1930s. Yan ang ginagamit nila sa ano ba? 1930s ba?
Be hauling the bundles up in the thresh machine. You can see all the hay on the back there.
Ganda. Oh, this mo. That's beautiful.
I think yun bro.
The more. Is that a more? Yeah, that's more.
Isa rin?
More in 1930s. Wow. Antique. That's antique guys.
Kining parida na sa mudaog na ni.
Wala.
Wow.
Wala na. Usyo ba? Wow.
Singing at 2 o'clock if you want. Bless your heart.
That's pretty cute. That's pretty cute. Blue, look. Wow.
Ari Joel here.
So many horses. I think it's from your Wow.
People are kind of scattering. I think that's the end of the line, maybe.
Alan, say hi. Say hi. Welcome to Hang in the 30s. Only in Malaysia, Alberta.
Nakalagay sa amin sa bahay na
Alright guys, that's the end of the parade and this starting of the event here and my beloved town of Malig, Alberta. I was here for I live here in Malig, Alberta for 7 years, so I miss this kind of event. So I'm happy to be here today. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and we're gonna continue this video in the next hours.
Yeah, I think that's her.
Father Jack.
Father Jack is here. Father Jack is here. Welcome to
Ka-work ko, Father, si Eloisa. Sabihin ko sana si Russell.
naka-video yan.
Yeah,
Welcome to
Welcome to our beloved town in Malig, Alberta.
Like a Harry Potter
So
dress
guys,
though.
welcome to Hanging Turkeys. This is the
Oh, may porsyento si Father Jack.
parish priest of the Catholic Church in Malig, Alberta for 7 years. 7 years. So I live in Malig, Alberta.
Tagal,
for
7 na
7
pala
years.
yun.
So I miss this place. My beloved, my hometown. Malig, Alberta.
Hometown, birthplace.
I love this event. This is Cancer Support Society in Malig, Alberta. So I love it. I live here for 7 years.
Why did you leave?
And I miss it because I missed the last 2022 to resume the 2022 to resume it since COVID. So guys, if you never seen this event, just come here in Malig, Alberta. Hang in there every year. Support the Cancer Support Society. Please
Be patient.
Father, ano?
Picture with Father Jack.
Thank you, bye-bye. Forging, right? Forging station. Huh? Oh. Ito lang. Putang nga naman kabayo ba? Siguro yung mga horse. So delicious.
Good.
Really warm. Some of that stuff's not very warm in winter.
Pinakamalapit kasi dito na yung malapit kasi na may mga bahay.
We got one more here for us. Finish her up. Thank you very much for listening and dancing. We are the Hayward Band. Thank you for listening.
Makit ka na. Hi. Good, and you?
I don't know if I can find it.
Yan na.